I had a situation that happened last week while I was coaching. The clients that day, the energy was just off. It was bad. I'm not even gonna lie to you. You know how you can feel the vibe of a room before people even speak? That's how it was that day. Normally, like, you'll get some people who are like, why are we doing this exercise? Just small stuff that you can kind of just brush off. But this day had some people that was like, I don't want to be here. They didn't want to do the exercises and things like that. Like I said, the energy was just bad. So in return, I'm upset because I'm bringing the energy, I'm bringing the vibes, and I do this on a daily. Every single day. There's not one day where I don't have the energy. No matter what's going on outside of the gym, I bring it to the people every single day. So towards the end of the workout, one of the clients asked me, Pat, why are you so hard on this? Why are you so intense today? Woo, woo, woo. And I was like, let me put this in perspective for you. Imagine if Coach Pat didn't bring the energy every single day. Imagine if I wasn't me. Like, if I didn't bring it the way I normally bring it, the music wasn't rocking like I normally have it. If I didn't do the things that I normally do, you'd be concerned. You'd be asking, like, what's going on? Pat, how come you don't have the energy today? What's going on with you, right? And they were like, yeah. And I was like, you have high expectations. Like, let's just say that. And they were like, yeah. I'm like, that's not the issue. That's not a problem, because I'm going to live up to those expectations, because it's about you, the clients, and the energy of the room. I'm not going to let it suffer just because something is going on outside of the gym with my life. Like, I can deal with that afterwards, but during this time here, when you come in here, when you're with me for that 40 minutes or that hour, however long it is, I'm going to give you everything that I have, even though bringing that energy out may take a whole lot out of me that particular day. I'm going to find a way to bring it, because that's what you guys deserve. That's what you guys are paying for. I'm like, you guys have high expectations of me as a coach. So, sue me if I feel like I should have the same exact expectations for you guys. When you guys come in here talking about, oh, I don't want to be here, there's somebody out there who wishes they can be here right now, but they can't for some reason. You're talking about, oh, like, why are we doing this? Whoop, whoop, whoop. There's somebody out there who wishes they can come in here and work out and do the things that you're doing, but they can't for some odd reason. I'm like, if you don't want to be here, then don't sign up to be here. But you signed up today. That means you come in and you work hard. You leave that stuff at the door. I demand the energy out of you. You guys demand the energy out of me, and I have no problem with that, but I demand the same damn energy out of you. And I'm bringing this to you guys because this has been my frustration for a while. And this is part of the reason why I don't do a lot of hanging out. I don't do a lot of, kicking it with folks like that. Only because a lot of people in the world, and this isn't me bashing anybody. This isn't me coming from a place like, oh, I'm just above everybody else. But a lot of people in the world are emotional workers. People work hard when the days is good. But if they're not feeling it, they're using that as an excuse to not work hard, to not bring the energy. But what they're failing to realize is that your goals are depending on you bringing the energy regardless of a good day or a bad day. Whether you're feeling it or not, you're going to have to find a way to bring the energy. Some of you have the energy all the time for your favorite Netflix show, for your favorite movie. When a new movie comes out, you won't hesitate to miss that. Yeah, you work 12 hours and you're like, yeah, I'm tired. But somebody's like, yo, the new episode of so-and-so came out. Oh, I'm going to sit there and spend that hour or 2 hours watching those episodes. Let's keep it a stack. Where are your priorities? I promise I try so hard really not to get, frustrated with certain things, but that's probably the biggest thing, especially when it comes to me, because a lot of the people that I'm involved with, a lot of the people that I'm in contact with, a lot of people that I work with, they expect the world of me. They expect the energy to be top tier all the time. And like I said, that's not the problem. But they expect me to just sit back and let them not bring the energy because they're tired, because they're not feeling it that day. I'm like, nah, you want that from me every single day. I need that same thing from you. I need that same thing from you. This is not one-sided. A lot of you are too damn critical of other people, and you can't bring that out on yourself. You can't do that same thing. You want the energy from somebody all the time, but when they need the energy from you, you don't want to bring it. You can't bring it. It has to be the perfect day. It has to be the perfect time. No, we can't do that. I know I've talked about this over and over, and I sound like a broken record, but some of y'all still don't get it, because some of y'all still waking up and not bringing the energy every single day because you don't like your job. Some of you are still not bringing it every single day because you're tired. Don't you understand that there is somebody out there today who didn't get a chance to wake up? There's somebody out there fighting for their life, wishing they could do the things that you're doing right now. Do you get that? Do you understand? Do you understand that there's people counting on you? The same way you're counting on other people, they're counting on you. I promise you, and this life is not just about you, the individual. It's about how you can help others. And you have to bring the energy every single day. Yes, it may take a lot out of you. And I'm not saying not to take time for yourself either. Take that time for yourself. But when it's time to work, when it's time to get after your goals, when it's time to get after your dreams, don't wait for the perfect day, because you may never get that. You'll be waiting forever. You have to find a way. You have to set it in your mind. You have to brand it into your thick skull. No matter what is going on, I'm going to find a way to bring the energy. I'm gonna find a way to bring it every single day.